Whoa! Stop right there. That is how to do a braking stroke. For that, you have a nice wide grip. You want to keep your body nice and planted, otherwise you're going to go over. For that, you just want to catch, really rip into it and just hold it there. Let that current do the work. For the depth of the blade, you want fully submerged. So all the way in the water. Not just in a bit, not half out. Nice and fully submerged. That blade fully vertical, nice and square. There is some safety points to that if you don't have your body planted, as I said, you might break it, you might go over. There's no recovery to this. You can do it tandem or solo. Yeah, thanks for that. No worries.